right, now it's time to answer your legal questions. We turn to Fox 26 Senior Legal Analyst Chris Tritico in the house to help us out. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Ready to help out?
I am.
Okay, I feel like we have questions today that could affect a lot of people, so this information should help others than just the people who wrote in. First one coming in from Norma, who writes, my sister passed away on January 1st. The funeral home had an issue with their funding company. I called my sister's life insurance company and was told that they never received her beneficiary form. I told them that I faxed it in May of 2023. They said that I had to wait 15 days for them to investigate. I am her sole beneficiary. Do I just have to wait this out?
Well, Norma, yes is generally the answer. If they didn't receive it or they didn't know that they received it, which happens more often than you know, then they're going to have to investigate this. If you have your copy of it, send it again immediately, and that may speed the process up. Why this happens with an insurance company is beyond me, but it happens more often than you know. When you fax something like that, save the receipt that you get back so that you can then immediately show them, here it is, here's the receipt that you received it, and that may also speed this process up. And that will help speed it up, and maybe you won't have to wait the full 15 days. But they have a right to investigate to ensure that they got it and that you are the sole beneficiary. Good luck.
All right, next question coming in from David, who writes, I'm writing you about the Medicare late enrollment penalty. This is a lifetime penalty, which is unlawful and discriminatory. I paid off the amount owed the first time due. I have contacted U.S. senators and representatives concerning this, and they will not help me. They could bring this up on the floor, try to make a law to try to fix the problem. What is your advice concerning this?
Well, David, I don't know that it's unlawful or discriminatory. Yes, a senator or a representative could try to do something and change this, but it's been the law for a very long time. If you want to avoid a late enrollment penalty, you have to enroll in Medicare in your first enrollment period, and that's when you turn 65. And that if you do that, then you don't get the late enrollment penalty, and they are for the rest of your life. It's a hard penalty to suffer. If you get this late enrollment penalty and you feel like you didn't have to pay it because there are some exemptions, then you have 60 days to appeal once you get the letter saying that you have a late enrollment penalty. If you file that and send in the supporting documentation supporting your claim that you don't owe the late enrollment penalty, you might just be exempt. Good luck.
That is a big problem for
it's the rest of your life. Yes.
How much is it? Do you have any idea?
Each part of Medicare has a different late enrollment penalty, and it depends on when you enroll as to how big the penalty is. It can be a lot.
For a lifetime. Wow. All right, final question coming in from Christy, who writes, what is my legal recourse when contract tree trimmers are hired by my electric cooperative to remove a dead tree from fence line that is half on my property and half on my neighbor's? It resulted in damages to his place, but now I have a large mess to clean up. After contacting my electric company, they said it was my problem. Shouldn't my neighbor have some responsibility here, as he was the one who needed the meter repaired because of the tree?
Well, Christy, I don't think it's your neighbor's problem. This was a joint issue because the tree was on the property line. But your electric company should give you the name of the tree contractor who came out, and they're the ones who should be cleaning up this mess. They were contracted to clean up the tree, and that includes all of it. It doesn't include just the part on your neighbor's side. When they leave a mess by cleaning up the tree, they should clean it up on your side as well. It was on the property line, which means they should clean it all up. So call them back, get the name of the contractor, and tell the electric company to send them back out and clean up the mess. That's what should be done. Good luck.
And hopefully they'll listen to her and do that. Yep. We have so many problems with trees between neighbors. It is a huge issue.
All the time. And it causes fights among neighbors, and it shouldn't.
Yeah, all right. With legal help like you, hopefully they'll get it straightened out. If you want to send us your legal questions, you can go to our website, fox26houston.com, and you'll find Chris's segments under the Morning News tab. We always remind you, if you have specific advice that you need, contact an attorney of your choice. Thanks again, Chris.
You bet.